All right, let's get a mad dash in here and then an opening bell. What do you got, Jim?
Well, a company whose stock has been up ever since it reported what a lot of people felt was not a great quarter is Micron. And Micron's been banned from China over security issues. Remember, Micron's the only company that really went to war against the Chinese many years ago, saying that they've been stealing intellectual property. So it's not unusual that they had a fight. What is unusual is they have a lot of business in China. So it's 14% of their business. So it's going to be a hit of about $3 billion. So it makes sense. And then, oh, by the way, if you add Hong Kong in, then you're starting to talk about 21% of the business. So you can see with a company that has $23 billion in revenues, it's not insignificant. So I do expect the stock to trade down. There's nothing Sanjay Mehrotra can do about this. I think that Micron is a shot across the bow. I don't think that they're, other than the tortured relations a few years ago, this is just the beginning, unless there's some sort of more amenable situation between the president and President Xi.
Yeah, I mean, it's yet another sign of this this trend that we talk so often about, Jim, in terms of this potential decoupling, whatever you want to call it, or however you want, de-risking. How do you view it as part of that? Is it just another step along the way of this continued increase in hostility, essentially?
Absolutely. Now, Micron, it's interesting. That's the one that is probably the least important when it comes to technology that is, I would say, military. Least important when it comes to the technology that may or may not be able to make it so that China is invasive. Now, remember, we already had NVIDIA be told they can't have any H100 chips. I have more on NVIDIA, which is just incredible. But AMD's levered there. And Micron will be the shot, and then the next would be AMD. I don't think AMD is going to happen. They have better relations.